Welcome back, Jebel Ali. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw your first shape and also delete a shape and move a shape. Okay, so remember from last week, we used the pan tool, which is down here, the hand. I'm just going to move my screen so my person is to the left. Then I'm going to use the zoom tool. In my case, I'm using the mouse wheel. I'm just going to zoom out and then move and zoom out, and there is where I'm going to draw my first shape. Now the shape tool is just here. That's the shape tool, and you click on there once and you get 5 different tools, and I'm just going to use the top one here, which is the rectangle. As you can see, my mouse pointer has turned into a pencil with a rectangle. That is telling me that it is ready to draw my rectangle. Now I want to make sure my rectangle is drawn on my horizontal axis. So I'm going to draw it inside the green and the red axis in here. Now to make sure I draw it on this area here, you do the following. Now listen carefully. I'm going to press the up arrow on my keyboard. Okay, so I'm pressing it now. Look at my pencil, my mouse pointer, it goes dark blue. That means my rectangle will be drawn here. So to draw your rectangle, you click and hold and drag. Okay, so you can keep clicking, holding and dragging, and when you're happy with the size of your rectangle, you let go, and there's your first rectangle. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to delete that rectangle if you want to. So to delete the rectangle, you need to go to the select tool, and the select tool is just here. So click on the select arrow, and this you tap twice on your shape. So 1, 2, and you'll see that it's highlighted in blue around the edge. Okay, now you can either press delete on your keyboard, or you can right click on your shape and choose erase, and that deletes your shape. Okay, so I'm going to draw that again. I'm going to remind you how to do it. So I'm going to go to my rectangle tool, which is just here, click my rectangle, press the up arrow on my keyboard, and you'll see that my square goes a dark blue, and then click and hold and drag, and that is how you draw a rectangle and also delete a rectangle. Now if you want to move your rectangle, I'll just show you one last little trick. You click on the select tool, then again double click, tap tap to highlight your shape, and then the move tool is just here with the 4 arrows. So click on there once and you get 3 choices. Click on the move tool here, and then you can click and hold and you can move your shape around on the green and red axis. Okay, and put it where you want it to go. And that is how you move your shape, and also how you create a shape, delete a shape. Okay, practice, practice, practice is really useful because we're going to be creating lots of different rectangle shapes. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at making our shape into a 3D shape rather than at the moment it's a 2-dimensional shape. So we're going to give it some 3D qualities. Okay, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Take care and see you soon.